Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to Best Buy. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this video I'm going to head on over to Best Buy. So I'm on the official website for Best Buy, and I'm going to just add a random product to my cart here. So I'm going to click on this laptop, and now I'm going to add this to my cart. I'm going to scroll down. Alright, so I'm going to add to cart here. I'm going to choose pickup. Click on pick up at store. Doesn't matter, you can do delivery or pickup. We just basically need to get to the checkout section where we can purchase the product and add in the gift card. So, alright, so it's pick up store. I'm going to search a store here. Alright, I'm going to choose this store here, and now I'm going to click on continue. Now I've got to put in my information. I'll put in my information here. Now click continue. This should take us to the payment. Alright, so we're on the payment section of Best Buy, and now right at the top it says here under payment method you got use a gift card. So go ahead and put in your gift card number here and your PIN, and then click apply. And it states you can use up to 2 gift cards per order, but if you reach out to Best Buy, they might allow you to use more than 2 gift cards. So just reach out to their customer support and ask them if you can do that. Most companies can. I'm not sure about Best Buy, but it doesn't hurt to ask if you got more than 2 gift cards. Yeah, so gift card number, PIN, apply, and then click continue. And if your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you need to put in your Visa or credit card to pay the remaining